Hi everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. Today I'm going to tell you what to do if you have forgotten or you have your pattern lock not recognized in your Honor Magic V5. So actually, it's very easy to do so. So as you can see now, if I turn on my phone, you can see that we do have here a pattern. I'm sure that I did this L sign, but it's not recognized. What to do now? So actually, we have a few things. At first, we can enter the safe mode and to bypass any glitches. So it might be the issues of some third-party application. So turn off your phone by clicking this volume up button and side button, power button to enter this menu. Tap power off and power off your phone. And now wait a few seconds to have your phone turned off completely. It should help you when solving some bugs. And now we have to enter the recovery mode. To enter the recovery mode, you have to now, while turning, you have to turn on your phone, but you have to hold the power button and volume up button until you see this logo. Then, when you see the logo, only lower the finger on your side button. So, let me show you how this works. Now I'm holding simultaneously two buttons. Now I see the Honor logo, so I lower this finger from the Honor. Now you have to hold the finger on the volume up button till you see the main screen. As you can see here, unfortunately we do have the turning on screen, so in a moment I will be right back. Let's do this once again. Volume up and power button. Honor logo, so now I'm holding only the volume up button. Now it worked. Please see the main screen. We have to open our phone, and here you'll see the Magic OS screen. And now here we have to enter the safe mode. Navigate with the volume down to the safe mode and enter this power button to enter safe mode. Here attempt your pattern once again when you will be trying to log in to enter, the lock screen to log into your phone, and check if it works here as well. It should. Now as you can see we have the welcome screen, Magic OS welcome screen. And now we can check if that works here. It doesn't. Oh well, what to do now? So if your pattern works here, that's fine, because some third-party application may be encountering your phone and just leaving their marks on that. As you can see, I have different pin code actually, just to show you the inside of the safe mode. Here, as you can see, we have safe mode, which means that we are in the safe mode. So here, if your pattern works, uninstall any third-party application that you have recently installed on your phone. So hold the finger on each, tap up info, and here you'll be able to see these. Wait a moment. Maybe I will close the phone so that you can see this very well. Here you'll be able to see the uninstall button. Just uninstall this application and you should be able to use your phone back again. And do this with app by app until you can log into your phone main home screen. But what if that didn't work and your pattern don't work here? Turn off your phone back again by doing the same thing. Tap power off and power off. Now place your phone back again like that. And now I do recommend to do a factory reset. So actually you will lose all your data that you have stored in your phone. So photos, videos, apps, accounts, everything. Of course accounts won't be deleted, only you'll be logged out from these accounts and you'll just have to log to them back again. Every message, every single file that is stored on your phone and was created by you will be deleted. And yes, it will remove our pattern lock. To do so, open the recovery mode back again by holding the power button and volume up button until you see the owner logo, and lower the power button when you see the owner logo. But what if you don't want to lose your data? I will tell you this in a moment. Here, now let's open our phone, and now we have to navigate with the volume down button to clear data. Click power button to confirm here, and here the first option we have here is factory reset. Click the power button to confirm, and then OK button, power button to confirm once again. And it will take, I guess, a minute maximum to factory reset all your data. And you'll have to set up your phone once again as you have bought this phone earlier. And this one should be like brand new, without any data, without any logs, without just anything. And it should help you. But what if you don't want to lose all your data? Yes, then the thing complicates somehow. It's because you can contact the device support, the owner brand support, and you tell them that you want the recovery mode and contact them for this further assistance, and they should cover your issue if you show them your proof of purchase of this phone. I don't know, for example, you bought this phone online or you have bought this phone in the official store. Show them the proof of purchase that you have installed this phone. This is very important when going into the brand support, is because they might accuse you of stealing your phone and they won't help you. And what to do now? Yes, they should cover your issue. But if you don't have the warranty, if you don't have this everything, like you don't have the support and you don't want to go to them because it takes long, you can go to the authorized service, show them your proof of purchase, and they will cover this for you. Of course, I think that they will perform a factory reset on your phone, like we did. But yes, that's how it actually works. There are no overrides for that. So for me, I think that the best thing is to contact the device support. And that's it for this video. Hope it helped you, and hope that your Honor Magic V5 phone is now unlocked. And yes, that's it. Hope it helps you, and if you have any questions, answer them in the comments below. And the same is with drawbacks. Goodbye!